People, you see that life here we're living in? You see that thing I name life? It have something equipped with it, you see? And enough time some people do something in a life here, right? And feel like them are going to get away with it. Them do some deceiving act. Them betray some good people will love and trust them and something. And think them are going to get away with it. You have a thing when you karma. You hear? And you see the table, it turn in a full circle. You hear me I tell you? So sometimes you see some people that do something and you think they get with them, not get with all now. At time. I catch time, not catch up with them. Them have a saying we say time longer than rope. And one thing you can't run left on a time. And time always go catch up on you. So you see a lot of people will do something and feel like say, when me do this man, once me not get catch this a time, man, me will get where. You think I saw it go no. Right? Me will give you a little story. And me hear that thing a long time about a brother we do a thing and ending up. You see the disgrace and the humiliation and everything we take this brother here. And him can't face up when he do to him take him on 3 pints. Him take him on 3 pints. You don't know say this brother here. Go at the embassy if you go get visa. In that embassy 3 times before he get the visa. The first time he go, he get turned down. You know, hear me good, the American embassy in Jamaica. The first time this brother you got embassy, he get turned down. He wait. The second time he go again, he get turned down. But it's probably because he never have a good intention. But you see the third time when him go, him get a stamp in him book. Him get a 10-year visa if he go to America. And people, you see from this man get the 10-year visa if he go to America, it come like the man start plan. Who and who him a go rob before him go away. Not rob them by walling them up and take away them have, you know. Rob them by borrow what you have. You style pan you. And make you know when you go get it back and them something there. Because him know say him a plan to go away. And him a plan say him not coming back. And what if people do it? What if people in America right now, Canada, England, we borrow how much thousands of dollars from people in Jamaica. Where them rate, where them know say trust them. And then people they lend them their money. And you see the day they go up on the plane, bing! Vanish off of the face of the earth. Them people they don't hear back nothing at all from them. Believe when me I tell you now, you see that same brother here, when him get the 10-year visa, him start formulate a plan. Him a go borrow X and X amount of thousand. So everybody in a film head when things say, trust him enough for that lend him a money. Say him a go borrow a nice piece of package from them. Everybody about force money. This man here borrow money from and him approach them and borrow $100,000. Can you say him a go because him a go pay by plane ticket and now go deal with this and that, but him a go buy up things when him go if he come down come sell so he can make back the money them. And ray a business thing him say him want do. You know say the man borrow. Him never get the 100,000 from everybody. Force money him end up with about 370 something thousand. Once money couldn't reach the 100, but then give him where they have. Because him uncle asks who him know say we. Remember him, no matter who you borrow from. You will know say Tom nah give me. Me nah bother ask Tom. Him nah go give me. All if him have him nah give me. But you know say Harry, if me ask Harry, any month me ask Harry if Harry have it, Once me tell Harry say more get it back, or me give Harry a plan the family and more get it back by X time, Harry a go lend me. I saw some people take your kindness to weakness sometime. Sometimes some people borrow your things, them not really want you know, them a test you. Because you some people work. Them borrow $20 from you today. Next week them a try 30. The other week of 40 them a try. And I saw them demand get going up and up and up. So some people test you. So you see all the man them ask first and the man say me not have you know. I will know have him now ask them again. Because I know say see them me know you have money but you just don't want to give me. That this somebody now ask you again. But you see you as the idiot now wait say you're kind and you want to help everybody. You go give them for your little shilling and come back them lift by you like a ticks. Here goes this umbrella you know. 370,000. Because one of this money couldn't reach 300,000. Him borrow up the people their money with the intention no say him a go run off America. But him a borrow money because him say when him run off, he want have a money in a foreign. But him done plan already say when him run off in a foreign, him a cut off everybody who him borrow the money from. Them not hear nothing from him. But just like me start that video here and tell you me people say time is longer than rope. And in that very circle where we in our name life, you have a thing when you am calm and the table turn in a full circle. No matter if you say reach me round your so, but true you over you say now reach your back a so full circle turning now. So my time right here so, for your time I come back right here so. And this man a formulating plan to trick the people them and run off. Him get 10 years, him now plan to come back. Him now plan to come back. But little did he know that when you go to the American embassy, that is not the end of the road when them stamp a 10-year visa in your book. It is not the end of the road. It is not the end of the road, my people. You go American embassy and get a visa. You see, when you reach a custom, them don't clear you. You know what I say? When you reach a custom, then don't clear you. And this brother, you borrow the money. But for him get the visa, he start borrow. But like you know, tell a man say, when me go and come back, me give you. But everybody not get the same story. When me go and come back, me give you. Next week, me I go give you back for you. So you see the people when you say next week or the next 2 weeks or end of month, me I give you back this kind of money if you get way and blah blah blah. Them the people that look for their money. So before you even fly out, them the people can't get their money and not get to him. He not take no call from them. AWOL Lincoln. You hear me? I tell no people. But him start spend the money already. Cause you know you go up your account thing, him start spend this, spend that already. You understand me? I say, cause him no business. Cause him say him nah come back. You know hear me say? He say him nah come back cause 10 years him have. So him don't give a flying. Left money give baby mother out of the people them money ya so. Left money over there so give next baby mother. Left time I say me not me you know me this a go me now can't say nothing. So him start blow up the money already. But him no plan to give back. So the money start shell down already me people. So when him reach a airport, cause hear what happened to him now. Him left Jamaica you know. And that this is the trick, you know, when him think him get way, you know, but me I tell him about life, you know. Him left Jamaica, you know. And when him left Jamaica, him never know, say, you get the plane from Jamaica and reach wherever you reach, Miami, JFK, any one of the airport them in America. If custom not clear in the country, you get knocked. Alright, a custom them turn him right back. Custom some not give you no perfect reason why they not let in their country. And that this be enough people. Enough people feel like say, let me tell you don't know how much people get them farm work ticket. Get them visa, everything, and when them got custom, they not let them in their country, they have to turn back. But little did this man knowing things, say one thing get a 10-year stamp in a book, so bloom. Nothing can tap him for reach in America again. Sorry. A right as him land for American soil, them turn him back, him not get to see outside of the airport. Straight back to Jamaica. And he will start blow up the money already. And it start hide out the people, them already. And not take no call and nothing. AWOL the people, them. So people have him already said, come like anyway. Then catch him already. You understand? Because if you tell me, say, you give me the money next 2 weeks. And all a week, 2 weeks, me a call you not take no call from me. Oh God, man. Oh God, man. You hear me I say? And people, you see when that man come back, he might try go back to the baby mother. When he give money before he say my boy, but baby mother they start spend money already and everything. Them now run back the money, because it was not a man to fit gig. So when the little baby mother then get the little money, them whole lot ban that, them not, no matter when get it from, them no business about that. So what happened to him now? Him not have the money to give back. Him have a piece of money, yes, but that not rich. Now if he give back the 4 people them money. ROP go put round the. Listen me, man. Listen me, man. ROP go get where you use and tie goat and tie cow. One long piece of length go get. And the stress and trim know when do and realize he can't face it. Because where? The problem is where him live on the humble place he go. Back a fit in yard. Him borrow money from people this and him now answer them nobody now contact no nothing before even him left. Cause he owe him skill you now. From him get the people them money, him gone. He no depend him base. He have money to spend now. You live, you can do anything where you want to know. You have the people them money. People in a problem now for their money. Can't get to him, check him yard pan regular him not did it. But guess what now? Now that's if little money when he did that could have go rent one little B&B for couple night or ray before he fly out. Now he can't go rent B&B right through Jamaica till he live. When them turn him back a rope he go get. Rope he go throw around him. Hear me the man? I enter him just because of unfairness. Just because the people them you know we grateful and lend you things. Just because the people them you know say have a little trust for you to a level and you know say me can you them kind man them all lend me. Them the one you borrow it from and style them but your plan mash up. Plan mash up. Remember when me tell them that me people. So you see when you dig hole in a life, dig two. When you dig hole in a life, dig two. Because if you may fly out and when he got customs in America, then when he land at the airport and then let him through go into the country, them the people, they not see nothing. He done with them. But the plan when he did have, he mash up. Them turn him back. He can't go through the airport go to America style. He have to come back in the yard at Jamaica. And when do, he can't go back go face it. Rope. Rope me people. Believe me when me tell you now. When I hear the story there, long time me hear the story there, no people. Me always use the story as a little example in my guidance in my life. Before me start troubling them thing there. Because up to today, just like I'm here telling the story, I know everybody when get turned back at airport, a lot of people borrow people money when they go foreign at Jamaica. And gone and the people in Jamaica still wait for them money and can't get nothing from them. Not even have a contact for them. That the money they will do them well right now, but guess what? Them the people that already know say them now come back. Them a go run off. Them now go back to Jamaica. If them go to Jamaica, then there are some hotel on the north coast. And sitting, you don't even know say them in a Jamaica. Remember when me tell you that. So remember, you see that circle of life, yeah? It's a full circle. It table turn. And you see karma? Karma is a bitch. And it will knock on anybody door if you don't play fair. Believe. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. Me not have to ask nobody nothing. Nobody now have to tell you nothing. A 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.